Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. You are now tuned into the Heathers. This is your girl Boomey B, and I am here with the same wig as last time with another episode of Inexpensive Wiggery. I think we are hitting number 27. I hope that is correct. If it's not, it will say so in the title what the real number is. So, you know how we do every time. I am wearing the wig from the last time. I don't have any real update on it. It's still in pretty good condition because I haven't really worn it. I think I've worn it out twice, both times with a hat, because I don't feel like plucking it. So this is kind of mood. Like, I dig it, especially since it's winter. I can get away with it. So if I just want to go outside with some color, this is the move, because I have not worn it out clubbing, shaking it back and forth, and being reckless and sweaty with it. And I comb it out. I've combed it out each time that I have taken it off. So if you just want a fun wig that you want to throw under a hat because you really don't want to do anything to it, I think this is a move. You see me right now killing it on a street slate, chill slate right now. So, you know, you be the judge. Now, please forgive me for the way that I sound. I am struggling with what I believe to be a sinus little situation right now because I got all this pressure going on right here. But you know, the wiggery don't sleep. So, we here. Let's get to the business. The business is the wig. By the way, I have no wiggery wine, no wiggery whiskey, vodka, nothing. There's no wiggery anything to drink this week. On to what you came here for. The wigs! This video is in collaboration with the company called Wigs By. Oddly enough, this is Inexpensive Wiggery, but we ain't never said that we can't get no human hair wigs, and that is what I have today. I have an inexpensive human hair wig from this company, and they were so kind to hit me and ask me for a review to try out this hair. So review it and try it on our show. Inside they have the hair in a plastic and the little cardboard mold. It also comes with a detangler comb, two weaving caps, and then a series of, I've already dropped some, a series of wig clips. This is a 613 short bob, and I'm talking about like a 10-inch bob. I was in the market. I've wanted to have like a really cute, ever since I have that black shortcut wig, which I'll link here if you haven't seen that video. That short bob has really got me in the vibe of bobs right now. So I was like, you know what, when they asked me to pick some hair on the site that I'd like to try out, I opted for a blonde bob. Also because maybe I can color it and, you know, do some things. This is it as it stands. Here is the wig. It's a nice little, I'm thinking about 10 inches. It's not A-lined. It's just a regular cut. It curls in or curls under. It is lace. The lace is pretty standard. Has a little bit of give to it. It is not very long at all. That's pretty short. It has no stats, so this is all kind of just, you know, eyeballing. The cap is very big head friendly and it's very wide. It has no clips, but that's obviously what those clips they sent you are for. But I have this new method of how I get the wig to stay on, aside from maybe gluing it down. Since this is a human one, I might gotta be glue it. I have since stopped gluing down my synthetic wigs just because I have no clue. I just don't do it anymore. I do this other method where I take the two adjustable straps, cross them across each other, and it really locks in. Like, it locks in. Your wig is secured. I'm feeling like, I'm looking at these knots. I don't know if you could see them. I'm looking at these knots and it kind of feels like they need to be bleached. They're really dark and it looks like I should think about bleaching them. Because even where the parting is, you can see how dark it is and how visible the knots are in the wig. The hair is human, so it feels goddess-like. It has such a silky soft texture. It doesn't even smell like it doesn't smell packaged or boxed or like it was in plastic. It has absolutely no smell to it, so that's wonderful. No knots, no tangles. You know, this is the type of shit that will spoil you when you've been in the synthetic game too long. This is the, oh Lord, yes, Jesus. The hairline is pretty standard. For most people, they would want to pluck this. I will probably do a little bit of plucking, nothing to call home about. Give it a more natural and less dense look. But I don't go ham on the plucking just because I have a very heavy hand and I've plucked wigs to death and F the whole situation up. So I think this lace is a little bit too dark for me. So I want to see if I can get it, I might bleach it a little bit and get it a little transparent so that it looks a lot more real. I think I'm gonna wear this wig tonight for my boy's birthday party. Happy birthday, Calvin. And I might do a little something to it and not just go with a regular old 613 wig. Okay. So let's do a wig switch. Okay, I am back and here we are with the wig. The hair is it's really a thin, but then, you know, short wigs tend to be thinner. I mean, they use less hair on them considerably. And I mean, obviously, like, you don't want to waste a bunch of good hair on a short haircut. It's everything you expect. There's absolutely like almost no shedding. Like, I have some shedding, but it's literally strands, like a couple of strands. And I've been running my hair through it off camera for a minute. Now, I'm gonna have to braid my hair just to give me a little bit more sleekness because my hair is not braided right now, it's just pulled back. I like where this is going. I want to test it with some heat, see if I could get it a little more flat. I did try a side part. It's not really my favorite, but I will show it to you guys here on camera. This wig is about $140, and I feel like for a human hair wig, especially 613, that is a very affordable wig price. The original price of this wig was somewhere upwards of $400, but it has been on a really generous sale. I think the cut of it is really cute. I think with a little wand magic and a little styling, this wig will be super cute, especially for tonight. So I'm gonna move it over to the side, and I am going to show you how fire a side part does not look in this, because unless I want to do my own cutting, but then I don't because I want to be able to wear the wig to the middle and the side. It is longer. I look like T-Boz, but that is cute. That is really cute. But this, not so much. With this wig is the same problems I have with any short wig. One side always really looks good and one side always is questionable. Whether it's human or synthetic, they never equally look as good as each other do. And I think that's my big problem with haircuts this short. Let's do a 360 so I can show you what the back of the hair looks like. I love the cut. I love the sides. I love the way it layers, the way it stacks up on itself or layers on top of its own self. I'm not a fan of how dark the lace is, and it's not giving me an effect of a part when there is a very prominent part there. What I will say about the color itself, there are on its own a lot of high and low lights which look amazing if you could see it from the way I'm seeing it. I don't know how it's coming off on camera, but the high and low lights in this wig are dope. If you are digging this wig or want to check out some more wigs from this company, Wigs By, I will have all their information listed down below. I'm pretty sure I have a couple of discount codes to give you if you placing your first order. I think that's gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna give this wig a solid 7. You know, it's cute. It's nothing. I'm not super wowed. You know, I'm not doing the most over it, but I think it's cute. And the fact that it's human for $140, I feel like that's an absolute purchase, and I feel like you cannot go wrong. And then if you want to style this or cut this or do whatever you want to do to it, the texture is amazing. Where the true test of a great 613 hair color is in the coloring of the hair. When it comes to human hair, I mean, in the coloring and the manipulation of the hair over time. So most likely in my next wiggery, I will be able to give you a way better stance on whether or not I think this hair is purchased. But as is, I think it's a move. With that said, I think we are done here. I love when we have these one and done quick ones. Again, I want to send a big shout and thank you to WigsBy for collabing with me to bring you this video. I will have all of their information linked in the description bar down below, so you can check out their site. I'll send you a link to this wig I have on now, and you'll have some discount codes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please comment, because I'm missing the comments. I'm missing chit chatting with y'all in the comments. And please, please hit that bell. Hit that bell. Let's do that already. If you haven't, just stop now and hit that bell. Thank you. Appreciate you. I will see you in the next wiggery, baby girl. Baby girl. As always, it's your girl Boomey B. I love you, and you guys be cool like you be cool. See you soon.